Hey guys, I've got a fun project for you. I found this like almost half circle, a little bigger than half circle at Dollar Tree. And I was like, oh my gosh, that will be the perfect bee project. I don't know why it made me think of bees. But anyway, I think it was like for a kid's room or something. So I just painted it with chalk paint. And I actually did 2 coats and I dried in between. Let me see what color that is, because I know y'all are going to want to know what color it is. And the color is called Summer Porch. Isn't that the prettiest shade of yellow? And then I coated, after it dried, I coated the whole project with Mod Podge. And I actually put 2 coats on here, and I dried in between those. So I put a coat on, dried it, then put a second coat on, and dried that. So there it is. And I found these napkins. Aren't they so cute? They've got a beehive and some bees, and they're 3-ply. So make sure you get down to the first ply. And then I take my little travel iron and turn it on. And now I'm just deciding, what I want to see on here. And so I place my napkin around and straighten it out. Then I grab some parchment paper, lay it on top, and then I get my little iron and press around. And then I lift everything off, and then I'm just like checking around to make sure that it adhered well. And then I'm going to hit it one more time with an iron just to make sure. So there it is, and it's a little hot, so let it dry. And then grab your sanding block, and I just sand down around the edges. Now, I do sand like downward. That way it doesn't tear the thin napkin. And right now is a great time to be looking everywhere, TJ Maxx and all those places that have these little fun napkins. And this one is perfect. It fit on there, and the yellow background looks so good. So I made sure that it was cool. And now I'm going to wax it with my surface wax, because I'm going to add the words "be yourself." And our transfers are reusable. You can see I've used this one before. And I love that, be yourself because there's nobody else like you, or something, whatever that quote is. If you know the quote, let me know. Anyway, so I did that with some white chalk paste, and it looks so cute. And now I'm just going to add this little bee. I got a bunch of little bees from Amazon last year. I hot glued that on. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.